Rana, my name is Marion Howard. I'm the Central Accounts Administration Manager for Pacific Resort Hotel Group. I'm from Te Rarotonga. I've been with the company for almost 5 years. That'll be 5 years in April. I think for me it was the opportunity to grow, and with Pacific Resort Hotel Group, it's one of the good things about the company. It's giving the opportunity people like me and other fellow Cook Islanders to grow into management roles. The best aspect of my role is being able to work with all the properties under PRHG umbrella. Pacific Resort Raro, Aitutaki, LPR, and working with a diverse group of people with Marcus, Greg, and the amount of knowledge that these two bring together. The combination of people that we work with I think is really, really special. I'm a mother of 2 little boys, and for me to be able to provide them with the best life and opportunities is what drives me to come to work every day. Plus working with Marcus, who is the creme brulee of the resort industry, and his wealth and knowledge is something that I strive to learn from. And also examples of Ani, who's come a long way, who's built herself up, her profile within the resort, is also really inspiring.